All right, guys, this is week 6 of seeing how lean I can get by taking 15,000 steps until June 1st, 2026. We have been having some ups and downs during this journey, but we're going to keep going. Let's go! Hey, yo, week 6 on my lean journey until June 1st, 2026. We are taking 15,000 steps per day. We are locked in. We are focused. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Hey, yo, man, so, this week has been trying for your boy, man. It has been trying. I have been having some foot issues, which has made it really hard for me to hit the steps. But we did, for the week, average well over 15,000 steps. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Here is my week 6 results right here. We are at 255 pounds. Your boy face is just getting leaner by the day. Like, everything getting lean, man. Like, even my family noticing, they're like, wow, like, whoa, you losing, you getting down. I'm like, man, I know I got to stay focused. But with me staying focused and with me exercising at the rate of exercising that I am doing, I have to be mindful of rest days. Okay, when it comes to rest days, I'm going to be a little bit more mindful of them. I am working out till failure, not only with the reps that I am pushing out in the gym, but until failure when my body just can't go. But with me taking those rest days off, when I am finally at that point, I need to take it kind of easy on my joints in the gym. So I'm adding more techniques, such as figuring out different ways to run and things like that. Also, resting my joints, make sure that I'm icing and things like that after the workout, because I did go get my feet scanned, and what I found out was a few different things that I found out when I was there, such as me not walking in a straight line, because I had knee problems in high school. I injured myself. So certain things I found out from my heel, I'm putting too much pressure on my right heel, things like that. So on my recovery time after the gym, I will be icing up. And I will be more mindful of taking rest days. And I want to tell you something about rest days. Because this is what a lot of people do. If you are overweight, I'm going to give you advice first. If you are overweight, on your rest days, you have to eat in a calorie deficit or at maintenance of what you've been doing. You cannot put your cheat days on your rest day. A lot of people do that, and that's where you are messing up. If you want to have a day where you want to eat more, make sure you put it on your active day. Because when you put it on your rest day, the chance of you the next day eating over is very high. At least if you put your cheat day on your active day, you'll still be working out the next day. And don't put your cheat day on your active day and the next day be your rest day. No, at least have a day in between of when you're still active. So be mindful that you got to do things on this journey to where it really fits into your life and it's for your well-being of your fitness goal. Now, if you are trying to gain muscle, gain body fat, things of that nature, you need to eat more. On your rest day, you need to eat more. You got to do the complete opposite. On your rest day, you need to actually up the calories. Because for one, you're not burning things off. And so the next time you go in and burn off, you will be in the surplus. So you need to up the calories on your rest day so you can have more calories to work on and to peel off on the next day if you're working out. You gotta be mindful, man, because it's really tricky when it comes to this working out thing. And the next topic I want to talk about is me transitioning into personal training. Right now, I am working on being certified with the ESA program. So I am doing work there to give you guys more accurate information, better ways of working out, things of that nature, because why not, man? Fitness is my life. Fitness is the thing that I love the most. Fitness is the thing that I started off. I've always wanted to be in extreme shape. Even as a little kid, I've always been strong. Now as an adult, I just got to take it to the next level of incorporating it into my daily life. So that's what we're working on right now. In the future, in the next couple weeks, we might be late on an upload because I am moving. Clap it up for that too. We got a new place. I'm moving, so I might be at the end of April. I might be late on an upload. We will see. I'll try my best not to be, but it's gonna be hectic that last week of April. I will say this, so I gotta really be tapped in. We gotta be tapped in. When it comes to our life and getting in shape and being in shape, we still gotta prioritize that. Even when things come up, we just gotta make certain changes throughout the week and things of that nature, because you can't get off. That one rest day I took this week, it's crazy. I worked out 41 days straight. 41! That next day, which was yesterday, I did not want to go work out. I was like, man, I want to chill. I wanted to chill, bro. I still went, but I just wanted to chill. I was like, man, I do not want to work out, man. Like, I felt good yesterday. That rest day kind of, because I had to have one in 41 days. So it kind of spoiled your boy. Your boy was like, man, I don't know. I can wait another day, you know what I'm saying? I can wait, I did give myself some type of, because I was coming off the little issues with my feet. I irritated a lot, but I was like, man, I don't even want to go at all, man. I just want to, but I had to realize, man, we got to burn this fat off, and we got to keep ourselves accountable, because there's people, I'm seeing new subscribers, people come in, people want to see me hit the goal, and I want to see me hit the goal. So if I got people behind me, I can't let y'all down. So I can't be like thinking like, oh, I don't want to go, I ain't gonna go, man. You better get up and go. It's too much riding on this. It's too much riding on this. Too many people want to see you win, and you want to see yourself win. Man, you better go on with all that. You don't feel like it, or you want to chill, man. I be having to talk myself out of it. That's what I want y'all to do, man. Talk yourself. Is this it? Was that enough? Yesterday, that was enough now. That's what I did, that was enough. Now, I'm already the goal, that's enough. That's it. That's all we can do. We hit our max potential, that's it. And then you gonna tell yourself, nah, no one. Gotta hype yourself up, man. So, this video will come out all over the place a little bit, but I did have some announcements to tell you guys, and I also wanted to keep y'all motivated today, man. Keep going, strive for excellence. I love y'all. Shalom.